Hi everybody. So I was supposed to go live today, but there were some technical problems and I couldn't. I'm so sorry. So welcome to today's video. I'm Aki from Let's All Crochet and I'm so excited to see you. So today is very special. We are going to talk about my big Black Friday sale, which is live right now. So I want to explain 3 of my favorite offers to you today because some of you have been asking. So I have something for you if you are a maker and something for you if you want to dip your foot into the designing pool. I also have some special offers that I've never offered before. Let's start by talking about my very first Black Friday offer, the 2025 Let's All Crochet Pattern Collection that includes 11 patterns in all for just $20. That's less than $2 per pattern. So normally this collection would be over $55 if purchased separately. So you're getting an incredible deal. So why did I create this? I want 2025 to be the year of crochet for anyone who wants it to be. Crochet is more than just a hobby for me. It's a way to relax, a way to express myself, and to make something truly special. So my goal for you is by the end of 2025, I want you to look back and feel proud of at least 10 amazing projects that you have completed. I also want you to grow your crochet skills with every single design. So whether it's learning new stitches, trying a different technique, or experimenting with unique styles. So one of my other biggest goals with this collection is affordability. Patterns typically cost between $4 and $7 and sometimes $8 each. And I want to make my designs affordable for everyone. This bundle is your chance to get premium, size-inclusive patterns for women at an incredible value of less than $2 per pattern. And I know how overwhelming it can be to search endlessly for the perfect pattern before you start crocheting. So that's why I've created this collection for you to save you time and stress by delivering inspiring designs straight to your inbox throughout 2025. So what exactly does this offer have? It has 5 stylish garments, think cozy sweaters, cardigans and cute tops, all size inclusive and perfect for all seasons. 5 fun accessories, hats, shawls, scarves and more to complement your wardrobe or give as a thoughtful present. And 1 surprise pattern, a little something extra to keep the excitement going. So who is the 2025 Crochet Pattern Collection for? It's for anyone who's ever fallen in love with a Let's All Crochet pattern and thought, I can't wait to make the next one. Nothing brings me more joy than giving you everything you need to confidently finish one of my patterns. So whether it's providing detailed instructions, offering multiple size options, or including tips and tutorials, my goal is to make sure you can bring your project to life exactly as you envision it or want it. Each pattern I create is designed to build your crochet skills strategically so you can grow. I want you to feel proud every time you finish a project, knowing you challenged yourself and tried something new. I want to show you that you can crochet anything you want and nobody needs to restrict themselves to just easy stitches and patterns. That is unless you want to, which is also totally awesome. I want to open the world of crochet for you. This collection is for you if you love the way I explain my patterns, the way I break them down step by step, and the way I guide you through them. It's for crocheters who want to feel supported, inspired, and empowered to take on projects that they have always dreamed of. This collection is for those who love crocheting as much as the finished project. It's for you if you trust me to inspire you and are ready to make 2025 full of crochet awesomeness. So if you have ever looked forward to the excitement of a new pattern from me, found comfort, confidence or joy in my tutorials and patterns and wanted patterns that grow your skills without the overwhelm and give you confidence, then this collection was made for you. So how will these patterns be delivered? The patterns will be delivered throughout 2025 in a gradual way. You'll receive an email notification every time a new pattern is released, so you'll never miss a thing. Each pattern will be sent as a PDF download to you, making it easy to print or view on your device, whatever you prefer. The delivery schedule makes sure that you'll always have a fresh, exciting project to work on all year long. Regular pattern drops keep you inspired and consistent with crochet so that you never run out of ideas for your next project. Click the link below to grab the 2025 crochet pattern collection now. So why should you grab it now? The pre-sale price of $20 is available only during the Black Friday sale. So this is your chance to save over 60%, and the patterns will not be available as a bundle or for 60% off ever again. Let's talk about offer number 2, 3 and 4, the collections. My 5 best hats, 5 amazing tops and 5 awesome shrugs and shawls collection are available now at an incredible 50% off. I won't go into all the details. You can check out what each bundle includes, but if you have ever thought about getting them, now is the perfect time to snag them at this unbeatable price. The link is in the description. Let's talk about offer number 5, mystery crochet alongs. So this is one of my favorite Black Friday offers, and I'm so excited to talk about it in detail with you. For the first time ever, I'm hosting not one but 2 mystery crochet alongs in 2025. Number 1 is a stylish sweater pattern. It is a size inclusive design and that's both fun to make and wear. Number 2 is a lacy shawl pattern, elegant, cozy and perfect for showing off your favorite yarns. You can grab them through the link below for $10 and save 50% today. So let's talk about what CALs are first. A CAL or a crochet along is an interactive experience where crocheters from all over the world work on the same pattern at the same time. You'll receive the pattern in parts over a set period so everyone stays in sync and you'll have enough time to complete the parts. So what are mystery CALs? Now here's where it gets more exciting. A mystery CAL keeps the final design a surprise until the very end. You won't know exactly what you're making until you have completed it, which adds a layer of fun, anticipation and excitement. Each clue will reveal a little more of the design, and it's so exciting to watch your project take shape in a way that surprises and delights you. So why am I hosting the CALs? I'm hosting these CALs because I want to bring more fun, excitement and connection into our community. I'm invested more than ever in you finishing your projects and being there for you as you crochet. I will answer every question that you have. Both patterns are designed to challenge you enough to build confidence and new skills. It's about the experience of crocheting together, the anticipation of the next clue, and the joy of seeing the project unfold in unexpected ways and finally finishing a pattern. So when are the CALs happening? They're happening in Jan 2025 and Feb 2025. So it may run over into March of 2025. This is strategically after the holidays so that we can relax and start the new year doing what we love. I cannot wait for us to crochet together. You can sign up now for just $10 and save 50%. The link is in the description box. So let's talk about my very last offer now. Design a crochet hat. 5-day live workshop. So this is an exciting offer that I have kept a secret until now. When I was starting designing, I wanted to design a hat and I thought that it would be very easy. But a hat includes a lot of skills that actually help you design a garment. So hat design taught me a lot of things about designing and grading, and I want to share that information with you. I also want to help you design your first hat. So if you have ever wanted to design a garment in multiple sizes and have been scared to take on such a big project, I would suggest start with a hat. So who can design their own hat? Any beginner or intermediate crocheter who has made a hat before. If you have ever crocheted a hat and thought, I wonder if I could design one myself, then this is for you. So what is included in this workshop? We are going to design our own hat in just 5 days. So I will go live from Monday the 2nd of December 2024 till the 6th of December Friday 2024 with live actionable lessons each day. There will be a printable workbook and I will answer all your questions as they arise. So what do the 5 days include? Day 1, we will discuss the right way to pick a construction for your hat. We will take design decisions about our hat on day 1. Day 2, we will talk about gauge and ease, something that is critical for hat design or your hat will fall off. Day 3, I'm going to share easy crown and brim variations so that you can pick yours. Day 4, this is where we will tackle the math, but don't worry, I'll make it simple for you. You will calculate stitches and rounds for your hat in multiple sizes. Day 5. You're going to write your draft pattern and crochet your first sample. Imagine having your very own hat design written and ready to test. You can sell it and then move on to designing bigger projects like garments because you have gained the confidence after the success of your hat design. So if you have been thinking about designing, now is the perfect time. You can join in just for $39. That's 60% off the regular price of $97. I can't wait to see you in the workshop and help you create your very own hat design. What offers are you most excited about? Please let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you all for watching. The deals are only available till Friday, November 29th at 11:59 p.m. ET, so don't wait. They are the perfect way to treat yourself or start tackling your crochet goals for 2025. You can grab all these amazing deals right now. With a discount of over 50 to 60%, you can just check out the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so excited to see how you use the patterns, bundles and the hat design workshop, and I'll see you soon.